Don't let a small space stop you from creating a stylish and organized workstation with the Gentex wall-mounted desk. This floating desk is perfect for upgrading your WF area or quickly establishing a multi-functional home office. Its space-saving design mounts easily to any wall, maximizing floor space while offering a contemporary, concise style suitable for various settings. There are many floating desks to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best floating desks from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Alloy Steel Folding Wall Mount Desk. The Alloy Steel Folding Wall Mount Desk is a space-saving marvel that transforms your wall into an efficient work area. With its foldable design, you can easily collapse the table to 90 degrees by pressing the release arm, freeing up valuable floor space. Built with durability in mind, this desk features a 0.7 thick density board and a metal triangular bracket structure, capable of supporting up to 100 lbs. The desktop, treated with a piano roasting process, boasts a high gloss finish that's waterproof, moisture-resistant, and easy to clean. Its circular art corners add a smooth, aesthetically pleasing touch. Versatile and dependable, this wall-mounted desk is perfect for small spaces, serving as a home office workstation, garage workbench, laundry table, sewing station, or storage platform. Whether for home or business use, the Alloy Steel Folding Wall Mount Desk is an ideal choice for those seeking functionality and style in compact living spaces. Number 2. Vivo White Wall Mounted Desk. The Vivo White Wall Mounted Desk is an innovative solution designed to transform your workspace with affordability and quality. This floating desk provides a convenient workstation perfect for both home and office use for supporting weights up to 22 lbs. It features a pull-out storage drawer for neatly housing supplies while maintaining a clean appearance. Versatile in its applications, this trendy product can serve as a home workstation, entryway organizer, or space-saving office desk, offering additional storage where floor space is limited. The desk's elegant design helps transform the look of your office while maximizing functionality. To ensure a tidy setup, cable holes are provided for neat cord routing, allowing you to charge electronic devices while keeping your display clean and organized. Whether you're working from home, managing a small office, or simply need extra storage in a compact space, the Vivo White Wall Mounted Desk offers a stylish and practical solution that combines form with function. Number 3. Hayocean Folding Home Office Table Desk. The Hayocean Folding Home Office Table Desk is a versatile and space-saving solution for modern living. Its smart, wall-mounted design allows for easy installation in any room, from offices to bedrooms, maximizing floor space while providing a functional work area. The desk features a foldable mechanism with a simple 90-degree release arm, allowing you to collapse it when not in use. Crafted from high-quality MDF, this durable workstation boasts a beautiful spray-painted finish that's comfortable to touch and visually appealing. The desktop offers ample space for your work essentials, complemented by open compartments for storage. Perfect for small spaces, this contemporary-style desk transforms any room into a productive environment without compromising on style. Number 4. McMacro's Wall-Mounted Floating Folding Table. The McMacro's Wall-Mounted Floating Folding Table is a simply stylish, space-saving solution perfect for small spaces. Weighing just 7 lbs, this compact desk can support up to 50 lbs, offering a stable and sturdy wood storage option that fits nicely into narrow areas. Assembly is a breeze with detailed instructions and all parts included, requiring no tools. This versatile drop-leaf table is ideal for breakfast nooks and can be easily folded when not in use, maximizing space efficiency. Its adaptable design allows it to function as a table, desk, shelf, or TV stand, making it suitable for various settings including offices, bedrooms, kitchens, and living rooms. Whether for home or business use, the McMacro's floating table is the perfect choice for those seeking a functional and stylish space-saving solution. With its fold-up capability and wide range of applications, this wall-mounted table offers convenience and flexibility in any compact living or working environment. Number 5. Gentex Wall-Mounted Desk. The Gentex Wall-Mounted Desk is a space-saving marvel with a concise, contemporary design that can be easily mounted on any wall. Its smart configuration not only maximizes room space but also suits various settings like offices, studies, bedrooms, or living rooms. This labor-saving desk can be installed at any height, eliminating the need for bending or crouching during cleaning. The tilting leg design cleverly prevents accidental bumps into furniture. Offering ample storage, the desk features 3 compartments below the desktop for organizing books, magazines, and accessories, while the spacious tabletop accommodates plants, notebooks, laptops, and ornaments. Constructed from high-quality MDF, this desk boasts a sleek design and a durable frame resistant to deformation. With a weight capacity of 44 lbs, it's more than sufficient for daily use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.